Welcome to another interesting session from Link Singapore. In this video, I will demonstrate the new Merlik 5 Deep Learning Anomaly Detection feature. Inspection of products in industries is becoming easier and reliable with deep learning-based image processing. With the launch of Merlik 5, deep learning no longer requires an expert to create the application. In-house integrators can develop their own machine vision tool with just a single deep learning function in Merlik in a matter of minutes. Currently, anomaly detection and classification deep learning functions are available in Merlik 5. The easy drag and drop feature to add in the tools make it easier for the user to design the image processing application in a quick and efficient way. The GUI for your machine vision task can be developed even by a novice. Many deep learning software in the market are expensive and complex to use. With Merlik 5, the development is simple and the implementation is faster with easy-to-use graphical user interface. The communication protocols available in Merlik enables the user to connect with a remote device and send control signals to the devices based on the decisions made from the image processing. Multiple front ends can be connected to the Merlik application, making it easier to visualize and control the operations of the complete plant, and the customer can monitor their whole plant from one place and do not have to go to the production floor. For this set of demo, we have the Merlik's anomaly detection feature that's being showcased. The images are acquired using the imaging source camera. COA lens and TPL lighting source have been used. Merlik provides image source manager for the camera setup. It manages all the camera setup and configurations. Here, the defects on the battery are identified using the latest Merlik 5 deep learning anomaly detection tool. The network has been trained based on 20 good samples. The training is very simple. Just grab the images from your imaging source and add them for the training. You can label them as good and bad images and then apply the training. Now your training starts. Once the training is completed, the model is saved and the inferencing can be done. Here, the network has been trained based on 20 good samples. This is one of the advantages of anomaly detection in Merlik, which makes training of the deep learning network possible only with good samples. This can be very helpful in scenario where it is possible to get many images of the defective samples. The heat map shows the region where the possible anomalous features are present. The decision of whether the sample is good or defective is made based on the anomaly score, and it is compared against the classification and segmentation scores which were obtained as a result of training the deep learning network with the good samples. Merlik's anomaly detection is simple to set up and the inference time is faster, making it a more attractive feature as an unsupervised deep learning method. Merlik 5 comes in different licensing packages: small, medium, large, and XL. This provides flexibility to the user to select the functionalities according to their requirements. For more information on the licensing, please contact our sales team. We have come to the end of the demonstration video. Thank you for watching.